I'm Pharmacist Ben, and it's time for another moment of truth. Veggies and fruits are among nature's best sources of antioxidants, a complete and diverse blend of vitamins and minerals, and potent plant pigments. They also contain phytonutrients that are impossible to find in any other foods. But because they're mostly water, you've got to eat a lot to get significant nutrient value. That's why I am in love with my Vitamix, a super high-powered blender that can turn 16 ounces of distilled water and a pound of mixed fruits and vegetables into a delicious juice that can be put into a bottle and enjoyed all day long. The secret to the effectiveness of a Vitamix blender is in its magnificent motor. The version I have is 3.8 horsepower, about the same as a rotary lawnmower. This allows the handy kitchen device to pulverize produce and pretty much anything edible into a potable and smooth, easy to ingest beverage. And that includes ordinarily inedible and unpalatable components of produce like the pith and the peels, which are mother lodes of medicinal and therapeutic value. Citrus skins and seeds are particularly beneficial as sources of antimicrobial and anti-cancer and other immune-boosting molecules. And most importantly, unlike ordinary juice, when you blend your beverage with a Vitamix, you keep all the fiber, which not only provides important digestive health benefits, but also slows down the release of sugar, making enjoying refreshing fruit juice as healthful as eating whole fruits themselves. That's today's moment of truth. Have a beautiful day. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye for now.